Friend, how do I curl my human hair pony wig? That's the question we've received, and that's the question we're answering today. Welcome back, my beauties. If you're new to our channel, we'd love your support by clicking the like and subscribe button and the bell button for future notifications. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome home. I'm going to show y'all how to curl your Bren's Beauty human hair piece with one that I haven't listed yet. This one is a fully hand-tied silk top, lace front, widow's peak, and baby hairs. She is beautiful. If you're interested in her, you can email me at bren@brensbeauties.com, and I'll put a link in the description. Since wearing human hair, I have acquired so many heating tools. However, I always go back to the same two. These are Conair. This is a 1-inch and this is a 2-inch. And the reason I like this brand is because the spring is tighter and it holds the hair and it doesn't let it fall when I'm going through. And a lot of the other ones that I have are too loose. My husband has tried to fix them, but it's not working. And these are boot clips. You can get them off Amazon. I use them for so many different things. I use them to hang my bras in my closet, TMI. I use them for scarves. I use them for boots, what I guess they're made for. I use them for wigs, to hang upside down for volume. That's something some ladies say they're not able to achieve is with a silk top. They can't get volume. And if you hang it upside down, it'll give it volume when it's drying. Why I have them here is I will clip them and then I hook them on my little caddy that holds my curling irons. You will want to use a heat protectant before you start doing this, and anytime that you apply heat to your hair, you always want to find a heat protectant and use that. The heat protectant depends on where you live. If it's really humid, some heat protectants might work better than others, the texture of hair that you have, so it's going to be experimental. What I have noticed is they can be oily, so I always spray, rub, and then I'll get in the back first, underneath. That way it doesn't get it greasy on top. If it is gonna get it greasy, it distributes it really well. And then after, when you have everything done, then you can just kind of rub your hands through. Now, where the curl starts is where you start. So if I want the curl to start here, well, I put the curling iron there. See? Let me turn this up. You can use high heat on this, just don't leave it in one spot, because then it will really crimp it and burn it. Started it here. I don't think that curling iron is even, I don't even think the curling iron was on. I guess it was. So see how the curl starts right there? If you want it to start down, then start lower. And I will show you step by step. I'm just gonna see. You can see. That's it. Right there. Hope you can see it. Now what you're gonna wanna do is, don't get a really thick piece, because if you get a super thick piece, the heat won't go through all of the hair evenly. And you're gonna get behind your mannequin, and your thumb is your tool. You're gonna get your hair, flip it over, twist until you get where you want that to go. And I use my thumb and open the hair, click, 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 twist, get a hold of this hair, click, 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 pull it out, twist. And then once it gets short enough, you don't have to twist, but you don't want to leave it on the ends too long. And then you click, see how I'm opening that spring, loosening the hair so it can slide out. If you want a defined curl like this, what I do is I will hold it and let it cool off. And you can blow it. You can get a curl or a blow dryer and put it on cool and just kind of spritz it with the air. And you can hold the curl like this and keep it in a curl, roll it up, and put a bobby pin in it and leave it. And I've done that to a lot of my pieces because I know they're going in the mail and I want the piece to be pretty when they get it. And so I'll curl it, pin it, and let it sit. And when I pin it, then I'll spray it with some hairspray for the hold. But human hair, it bends. It's not like synthetic. Synthetic, it's got that style just baked in. Okay, so that is the 1 inch. And I'm gonna try to go behind in this video so I can show you at a different angle. It's challenging to show y'all as much as I want to be able to show you in detail. Maybe it shouldn't be as challenging as it is, but I'm not used to doing these kind of videos. So I'm sure it's not challenging to some. All right, towards your face, towards her face, just, and then get the hair, turn it, twist, click, twist. Okay, now that hair is getting short enough, I can just roll it. Did you hear that click, click with my thumb? Click, click, twist. Don't hold it a long time when you get to those ends, just long enough to get them. And then the curl, we'll hold this one since we held the other one. You see the difference? Now, if you don't want a tight curl and you curled it and it's too tight, you can get the hair. Well, first you can just pull it out. If you saw it and you're like, oh no, that's just too curly. Well, this one's going straight back if you see it. But say it is going straight back. What you can do, get your curling iron and just lightly, quickly go over it. And see how now it's just more like, it's not the super, super curl. I'm gonna come around and let's see if I can show you from a different angle. Get your hair, get your curling iron. Here's the back. This is still facing her front, her face. Twist, put your finger on, twist, until however far up you want that curl to go. And then click, click, click with your thumb, twist, get that hair, twist, twist, or click, click, twist, twist, until however far you want it to go up. Click, 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 click to the ends. And then when you let go, make sure you click so you can release that spring to go down. Yeah, that hair is gorgeous. I can't help it. So this can give you an idea of how thick of a piece. It just depends on the style or the look that you're going for. This is the 2-inch towards her face, around, twist, pull. Say we want the curl to start lower, so we pulled lower. And then we're just gonna slide it through. At the end. And you can let that curl drop in your hand and cool and lower. Open, around, pull, twist. Click, click, click. Click. Enough just to let it twist. One inch. Since I'm starting lower, I don't have to grab that other hair because I don't have as much. Now, you can, when you get to here, start going this way. And then here, go this way. But you can do it like right here. We've been going this way, away from the face. However, you can, and it looks good too. It helps it not clump together as much. If every once in a while you will, see how I'm twisting? You will, and now you're gonna open, click, click. Click, 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 until you just can work that out till the end. I got it all the way to the end. And click, 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 click with my thumb. When you are away from the face, you can take a few pieces and go the other direction. Just mainly when you're on the face, you don't want to direct it towards your face. Aren't those gorgeous curls? Now this one is so close to the face. This is where we're at. See how I let the hair kind of go? But don't let it sit on those ends. I don't want you to burn your hair. The way I always know if I have too much hair or too low of a temperature, because you can start low and then work your way up. But the way I know I have it too low is if it's not curling the piece. If it's not staying in a good, you know. And like I said, I haven't even put any product in her to where she has hairspray or mousse or anything like that. Look at that. So imagine how good it would stay if I had something like that in it. Click, 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 pull. When you're clicking, you're pulling. Down to the end and curl it up because I want it to be curly ringlets. And then loosen and release. Here, click, 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 pull, 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 click, click. And if we want it to go up by the head, the scalp, curl it as tight as you can. Absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna put her on for you so I can show y'all what she looks like curled and straight. That clamp is still towards the face when you start because you're doing it away. You hear it click, 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 and I'm pulling as I'm clicking. All right, ladies, I hope this helped, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.